Let's have the poster on the presentation. Shall we start, sir? Srinivasra, sir?
Yes, madam.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So good morning to one and all. Welcome to all the parents and students who have logged in for this session, Engineering Education, Charting the Right Career Choice. So today we have the online panel discussion related to automobile engineering branch. So all the prospective students who are looking for an admission in automobile engineering, I do think that the insights given by these panel members will be definitely be helpful for you in making a judicious choice. So on this note, I hand it over to our Harish Babu sir from Automobile Engineering, who happens to be our admissions team from Automobile Engineering. Harish sir, over to you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So, welcome you all. The panel discussion on automobile engineering, a guide for prospective students. So, the panel discussion of automobile engineering, we have distinguished panel experts here to provide insights into his exciting field. Let us start with the introduction of Dr. T. Srinivasrao Garu, currently working as a professor and HOD Automobile Engineering, VNRVJIET. He has a total of 30 years of teaching experience on his credit. Dr. T. Srinivasrao has 25 national and international publications. He got sanctioned sponsored research project worth of 27 lakhs from SEBSURE. At present, he is guiding 2 scholars for their PhD. So, over to you, sir. Sir, can you throw some light on automobile department strength in VNR VJ?
So good morning, one and all. So good morning, Mr. Srikanth from JDF, Srinidhi Madam from TVS Motors, Uday, our alumni and entrepreneur, and Srija is also our alumni, and my colleagues, Dr. Kanti Sudha, who is the admission coordinator, Dr. Amzad, senior faculty in the department, Dr. Prasad, who is taking care of placements, and Dr. Harish Babu, he is the faculty in charge for admissions in the department. So first of all, good morning to one and all the audience. Good morning once again. So first, before coming to the department, I would like to say a few words about the institute. So VNR Vijnana Institute of Engineering and Technology is established in the year 1995. A group of industrialists, educationalists with an idea of philanthropic to serve the society. So here I would like to highlight one thing. Vijnana Jyoti is a not-for-profit society. It is established in the year 1991, Vijnana Jyoti, whereas coming to the engineering college, it is established in the year 1995. So here coming to the department, the program of automobile engineering is started in the year 2010 with an intake of 60 students with the approval of AICTE and JNTH. The program of automobile engineering is accredited by National Board of Accreditation, that is NBA twice, With this accreditation, the program is recognized by all the international universities. So here the department has 20 highly motivated and qualified faculty. So 7 of them are doctorates and remaining are pursuing for their doctorates. Besides teaching and guiding the students, the faculty are involved in research activities and consultancy in the areas such as electric mobility, micromobility for urban transportation, fuel cell technologies, autonomous vehicles like ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, alternative fuels, advanced machining and welding, acoustics for electric motors, heat transfer augmentation, 3D printing, and composites. Coming to the infrastructure, the department has exclusive laboratories like automotive chassis, automotive engines, automotive simulation laboratory, vehicle maintenance and testing, theory of machines and mechanisms, automotive electrical and electronics, automotive IoT laboratory, automotive embedded systems laboratory. And besides this, we also make use of the laboratories from mechanical and civil engineering, like mechanics of solids laboratory, heat transfer laboratory, metallurgy laboratory, machine tools laboratory, and production technology laboratory from mechanical and civil engineering departments. And besides this, we have an exclusive laboratory for students project, that is SAE laboratory, that is Society of Automotive Engineers. This is non-curriculum laboratory. This lab is used exclusively for student projects. Our students design and fabricate the vehicles, both IC engine vehicles and electric vehicles, and participate in competitions at international and international level. So like some of the competitions are Baja competition, Supra competition, and there are other competitions also where our students do participate. So even in the summer, 20 students are working on 2 autonomous vehicle projects. So maybe by this next week, they are going to fabricate and they will be ready for like riding in the institute. So with this, and our senior faculty, Dr. Amzad, will throw light on the curriculum and also minors. And our Dr. Prasad will give you the opportunities for the students regarding placements. And thank you, madam. Thank you, Dr. Harish.
Thank you very much, sir, for enlightening us about the department steps and other things of VNRVJIET. Now, I would like to call Mr. Srikanth Ketu.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Is it audible? Yeah. Sir.
Can you hear me?
Now I would like to introduce about Mr. Srikanth Ketu. His educational background, he did in MS Arizona State University, USA, and BTech from JNTU Anantapur. And he has a good experience in JEDF India Technology Center, Hyderabad. Currently, he is working as a head mechanical engineering session from the JEDF Technology Center. So over to you, sir. What the role does curriculum plays in unleashing the potential of students? What are the expectations of industry from BTech graduate from automobile engineering?
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Harish Babu. So good morning to all. Thank you for inviting me. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I want to first start my session by sharing one video. Okay. Just give me a minute. How can I do that?
Hari sir, we can stop sharing that poster so that sir can share.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Let me share my screen. And let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, sir. We are able to see your screen.
Okay. So I hope it says ZF, right?
Yes.
Okay. I hope you can hear the audio also.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You can hear the audio, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I hope you were able to see the complete video, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, so it's a beautiful video which I really like from our organization. Reason is it has a very strong message for all the automotive, for the entire automotive industry as well as to the future automobile engineers. Apologies, my camera is not working. Otherwise, I would have loved to switch on my camera today. Sorry for that. Nevertheless, in this video, if you really, if you have noticed, it talks about the current technologies, what is available, the latest technologies which are going to come in the next 5 to 10 years, the future technologies, as well as the sustainable sources of energy for our vehicles. Okay, so this is the message this video conveys. Okay, 1 second. One second. If you really ask me, the future of automobile industry is really very interesting. Okay, first thing is it's very interesting. I'm unable to share my screen. I wanted to share something with you. Second. Okay, let me try again. Okay, fine. Okay. I hope you can see this: connected, autonomous, shared, sustainable, e-mobility, and digitalization. Okay.
Yes.
Um, Automobile industry is going through a lot of disruptions. Okay. And these are the future technologies. So connected mobility, autonomous mobility, shared mobility, sustainable mobility, e-mobility, digitalization. And it is very important that, I hope you can hear me, or?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, so it is very important for the universities to really look into shaping their curriculum that meets some of these future technologies or future trends. Okay. For example, I will take example of autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles definitely need lot of multidisciplinary expertise. Okay. So we need automobile engineers, we need mechanical engineers, we need software engineers, we need electrical and electronics engineers. We also need very good civil engineers. Okay. The reason why I say civil engineers is because of the road infrastructure and other infrastructure that needs to be developed. But coming back to the automobile engineering discipline, only the core automobile engineering courses may not really meet the future needs. So, if you ask me, the boundaries between these engineering departments, for example, automobile engineering and electrical electronics or electronics and communication, computer science, are going down day by day. So, along with automobile engineering core courses, I strongly recommend that the universities look into the multidisciplinary courses as well. So, for example, if you ask me nowadays, the mechatronics is picking up a lot. So, not lot of mechanical components are going down, and these are controlled by the ECUs, the mechanism. So, the number of links that connect a mechanical system are going down because now we can transfer the same information through signals. I'll give you one simple example: steering wheel to the wheels. So the entire steering mechanism. So as a driver, you steer the vehicle using the steering wheel, and it connects with multiple linkages all the way to the axles and then to the wheels. So there are many mechanical components. Now, just imagine you remove all these mechanical components that connect the steering wheel all the way to the wheels. So you just have a steering wheel and you just have the wheels, and the wheels get the information based on the rotation of the steering wheel, saying, okay, I have to turn left or right, and the wheels turn because of the signals from ECUs. So this will reduce lot of mechanical components from steering wheel all the way to the wheels, and it makes the vehicle lighter. It makes the vehicle behave more autonomously. Okay, under controlled environment, you can actually program it in such a way that it is capable for future autonomous driving. So this way, the curriculum should also look at how we can adapt to the future technologies that are trending in the automobile industry, and how to bring down the barriers between different disciplines. Okay, and if you really want to be a successful automobile engineer in the future, you have to be associated with one of these, what I'm showing on the screen, and become an expert into this, so that your career will be very fruitful and you will have a lot of opportunities in the industry. Because at this point of time, if you see, there is a lot of gap between industry and university in terms of technologies, in terms of courses that are relevant to the industry. So once this bridge is gapped with adapting to the future technologies, probably the engineers will be industry ready the moment they graduate from their universities. With this, I stop because I don't want to take up the time of other speakers as well. So this is my message to all the prospective automobile engineers. Look forward, look into the future technologies and shape your career. And also my request to the university or to the university staff here is also please focus on curriculum that helps in this, that helps students come up to the level in these future technologies. Thank you.
Uh, Thank you very much, Srikant Ketuji, for sharing latest and future technologies and trends of automobile engineering, like connected autonomous vehicles and shared sustainability and e-mobility digitalization. As you mentioned, the courses related to future technologies, I will, Professor Sheikh Amjad sir, he will explain better in the coming, I mean, in the next session, sir. So, Dr. Amjad sir, over to you. So, Dr. Sheikh Amjad sir,
Thank you.
Professor of Automobile Engineering, VNRVJIET. Dr. Amjad has more than 23 years of teaching and research experience to his credit. Dr. Amjad has 21 international and one national publication and presented 19 technical papers in the international national conferences. Till now, he has more than 673 citations He has received funded research project worth more than 50 lakhs through SERPSURE, UGC, and other agencies as well. So he can briefly, sir, Amjad sir, you can briefly tell us about the minor degree programs offered in automobile engineering branch as well as new courses which Ketu sir mentioned.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So, as Srikanth sir mentioned, at present, automotive industry is under a disruptive transition driven by the technologies and innovations. So earlier, automobiles have mostly mechanical and electrical components, basically. Now, present day automotives have a lot of things like embedded system, more of softwares, electronics are there, and computers are there, and the networking is there. So, automotive industry is racing towards multiple new technologies and innovations and the market shift. So it has a new future mobility technologies as mentioned by the Srikanth sir, like electric vehicle, hybrid vehicles, fuel cell vehicles, connected and autonomous vehicles, self-driven vehicles, like onboard sensors, testing. So we have all these new technologies and then innovations are happening in this automotive field. Not only that automotive and mechanical, along with that we have to be engaged with other technologies like instrumentation, electronics, electrical, computer science, information technology, and the present day whatever we call this IoT, artificial intelligence. All these things we need to add to this curriculum. So in VNR VJIT, automobile engineering program is revised once 2 or 3 years to meet the industrial and societal needs. For curriculum updates, department seeks the active participation of the industry personnel, academicians, and alumni. The curriculum maintains a balance in the composition of the basic sciences, engineering sciences, humanities, and management program core subjects will be there, electives will be there, open electives. Along with that, we have the internship programs as well as the program project work will be there at the final year. So, along with the soft skills and the life skills, the curriculum incorporates the advanced courses. Along with the basic courses, we have the advanced courses related to the automobile like vehicle dynamics, automotive electronics, advanced driver assistance systems, electric and hybrid vehicles, fuel cell vehicles, connected vehicles, and IoT for automobiles, artificial intelligence, and these are the things advanced subjects we are adding in the curriculum. So, along with this soft skills and this thing, programming skills also imparted to that students by including the courses like programming through C, data structures through C, Python programming, and we have labs related to Internet of Things and embedded systems labs we have. So, along with that core subjects, the automobile engineering students are familiar with the other technologies related to that electronics and the communication and computer science, Internet of Things. So in VNR VJT, courses of interdisciplinary nature offered to the students. Basically, as you mentioned, the main program courses to that program. So main objective of this program is to expand the domain knowledge to the students in one of the other branches of the engineering, not only the automobile, other than the automobile, we need to add some knowledge, domain knowledge, like as you said, different courses. I will mention what are the courses available in the minor degree program. It also increases the employability of UG level by keeping view of the better opportunities in the interdisciplinary areas of the engineering and technology, and also provides the opportunity to pursue higher studies in interdisciplinary areas. So whenever you go for higher studies abroad and even wherever they go for higher studies, these interdisciplinary courses will help in the achieving the good progress, and they and also offer the knowledge in the area of identified emerging technologies and thrust areas of engineering. So for the part of minor degree program, VNRVJIET offers minor degree programs like artificial intelligence and machine learning, cyber security, data science, Internet of Things, IoT, and innovation and entrepreneurship. These are the 5 minor degree courses offered to the BTech automobile engineering as well as other degree programs also it is offered. So These students has to actually they have to get the 160 credits throughout the 4 years of degree program. In addition to that, 18 credits they have to clear for to obtain this minor degree program, like as I mentioned, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, data science, Internet of Things, and these programs. So additionally, they have to get the this 18 credits to get this. Generally, this minor degree program will start, courses will start in the from third year onwards. Third year and final year, they will be doing this minor degree programs, and so that they will be more familiar with the other kind of technologies. So along with this classroom knowledge and hands-on practice in the laboratories, the students of automobile engineering also encouraged to participate in inter-college events and proficiency in the certificate courses. And course-based projects also they are doing along with the lab courses, and the major project also they are doing. So finally, uh, when the student come out of that UG degree program, they will be familiar with all the core courses, interdisciplinary courses, and hands-on training with the different present available technologies and all these things. So these things they achieve by maintaining this close relation between the industry through the research cooperations, training, internships, guest lectures, and proper placements and project reviews. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Amjad sir, telling about the minor degree programs offered in automobile engineering. Next, I would like to call Miss Sai C. Ja. Is it audible, ma'am? Sai Srija,
Yes, yes, sir.
yeah.
Sort of.
Sai Srija, ma'am. Currently, she is working as a senior member technical in ADP. Ma'am, can you share your college experience that excited about automobile engineering? What drove you towards your current job?
Yeah. So before I start, I'd like to give a small introduction. So I'm Srija, and I've passed out as an automobile engineer in the academic year 2019. So what fascinated me as an to enter into the automobile engineering was the combination of the practical work that we do there. It's more of a hands-on experience that we get in automobile rather than having, pages of code to write or too much of theory to learn. So, and apart from that, it was mostly with the labs and the hands-on work that we get that actually helped me to gain more interest. And the syllabus was ranging from the internal combustion engines to the automotive electronics that deepened my interest there. And there were many guest lectures, industrial visits, and internships that helped me to understand the real-time scenario of how the industry is actually working out there. And yeah, there were many. As the years passed by, it was important that all of us realized automobile engineering is not just about building an engine, understanding the engine components. It is more of a mix with the multiple concepts that included your electrical components, your coding. As Sirs mentioned previously, it also had multiple technologies, cutting edge technologies that go into preparation of or building a car, basically, car or any automobile unit for that matter. So yeah, it the technologies and the curriculum updates have made it more interesting. And I'm currently working as a software professional in ADP. So to all the parents in the meeting, I would suggest that, I mean, I'm trying to tell you, once you're into automobile, it is not your knowledge band or the bandwidth that you want to explore is not restricted just to automobile. You have multiple courses that are inculcated in the syllabus. There are multiple coding practices and electrical components concepts that are taught as a part of the training and placement programs as well. So based on the interest and the situations that we are in, we can definitely choose our path. There are multiple cloud technologies also that are being included, AutoCAD and everything. All of them are playing a very crucial role in the today's automobile world. So yeah, it's been a very good journey for me, and I would like to thank my college who have been a constant support, and especially the HOD Srinivas sir. So he has been a constant support and was encouraging all the students not to get a deep understanding into the automobiles and explore further fields as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai Srija, for sharing your experience in automobile engineering. Now I would like to call Srinidhi. Miss Srinidhi. So we'll move to other person. Mr. Uday Shekhar Reddy. So now we'll move to our placement coordinator of automobile engineering, Dr. GVL Prasad. Sir, is it
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Can
sir.
you
Yeah.
throw some light on AE branch placements and statistics?
Yes, sir. Definitely. Sure, sir. Actually, first of all, I will explain how this placement, training and placements happens in the VNR college. We have a TNP department, training and placement department centrally. So they will take care about all the placements. Okay. Apart from that, we have a placement coordinator from the department side who will closely monitor. So from the right from the beginning, first year onwards, we'll focus on their career. So we will guide the students towards which field they wanted to move. Say some of the students they wanted to move to the core side, some of the students they wanted to go design side, and some of the students they want to go to programming side and all. So based on their interest, from the first year onwards, we will guide the students. So apart from this, we have various clubs like SAE, Baha, and all. So students will make their own vehicle and they will participate into various events. So students also get the core placements through that events also when they are attending the events. So there some of the core companies like Mahindra and Mahindra, Anand Group, TVS, Hyundai Motors, they will come to their events place and they will organize the interviews and they will select the students. And when you come to the training, I will give a brief about how the training will happen. So we have from the at a training department, we have a different trainers. So one of the trainer they will focus on the coding side, and we have a soft skill trainer. So we will guide the students' personality development and resume preparation and communication development and all. Uh, And apart from that, from the department side, we will also focus on some trainings. We have some certification courses. Students has to do two certification courses mandatorily, so they can choose their domain of interest. So according to that, either they can do from the outside a prescribed organization, and they should certify. So and then. Otherwise, we will also from the departments, and we will also invite the expert from to the college, and then we will organize. So and then apart from this, students also undergone some internships, mini projects, and that. So these are the ways they will train and they will acquire a skill. So when you look at the placements, the companies will look at the skill sets. So not only the percentage, they will look at the skill set of the students. So before they going to graduate, before they going to attend the interviews, so they have to acquire the proper skill so that they will definitely, and when you come to the placements, statistics, number I am telling. So frankly speaking, we have 100% placement. 100% in the sense before they complete their graduation. So 80% of the eligible students they will already placed, and some of the students maybe a couple of students after certain interviews they may not. So but still after graduation also we will provide the good opportunities for the unplaced students within the 6 months. So whoever not placed, before during the graduation, definitely we will give enough opportunities, and so they will be placed. So if the students completed their all the subjects and they require credits, so they definitely placed in a good companies. And I would like to give some of the core sites opportunities. So Hyundai Motors and Mahindra, so Deccan Motors. So these are the various companies. So Anand Group and all, they will come and pick the students. So if the students interested to move to design side, so we have companies like Satsin and all, Cient. So they have a design side and analysis side. So students will move into that. And apart from that, we have a IT side. IT side also, students get a good opportunities. TCS, Capgemini, and all. There are Wipro, Cognizant. So like these are the major companies will pick the student from the automobile engineering if they wanted to move up IT side. So with this, I can say that once the students will join and follow our curriculum and attend all the trainings, so they definitely placed. Fetching a job is not at all a big task here. So students definitely they have an opportunities, and I would like to mention higher education side also. So I'll take care of the higher education also. Some of the students they wanted to pursue their MS program at US, Germany, and UK, Australia, something like that. So many of the students they will move to their MS program. Here we will guide the students towards that also. We have a alumni connect. The students wanted to go to German and all, maybe students don't have a knowledge what they should learn, which university they should approach, which program they select and all. So we have a good base of alumni. So we will connect the students to the particular alumni and they will guide. So it is like a cakewalk for them to even they wanted to choose an MS. They need not approach any consultancies and all. So that is the opportunities we are providing for the students towards their career. So thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. GVL Prasad sir, sharing about placements and statistics of the automobile engineering. So now I would like to call Miss Srinidhi. Is it audible, ma'am? Yeah.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Good
So,
morning.
good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Miss Srinidhi Sriram Kumar, she is working as the senior manager and business planning, TVS Motors Company. Now, over to you, ma'am. What are the driving factors for you to land up in a core job with the TVS Motor Company? Any specific experience which you would like to share our girl students, aspirants that created interest or excitement in your core domain?
So at engineering, when I joined engineering itself, I was always very excited to learn about how things work. And my father used to work in a manufacturing company. So having grown up around that, I was always very interested in that, and I wanted to follow his footsteps. So that is how I joined engineering. And once my engineering was completed, I joined Caterpillar in Chennai. So they have a manufacturing plant in Chennai where I was working as a section manager for production of off-highway trucks and as a manufacturing engineer for the fabrication line in Caterpillar. So both these experiences are in the core automobile production domain itself, and I had a lot of learning. You get to interact with a lot of people. You get to see how things are made in real time. And every day when I left work, I had a feeling of, oh, today I helped produce 4 trucks. I helped do this. So it was a very tangible way to see your impact on your work. And I think that automobile is a domain that is always going to be evolving. It's never going to go become irrelevant, or you will always be able to use that knowledge in other things that you do as well. So I think it is a very good way to begin your career. So post my 2.5, 3 years at Caterpillar, then I did an MBA at ISB, and then I again joined the automotive field at TVS.
Thank you, Srinidhi, for sharing your experience in automobile sector.
Thank you.
So now I would like to call Uday Shekhar Reddy.
Hi, good morning to everyone. Hope all are doing good.
Uday Shekhar
Yeah,
Reddy,
yeah.
let me introduce yourself. Uday Shekhar Reddy is Managing Director, Technology Asia Enterprises. So, over to you, sir. What are the emerging fields in automobile engineering domain that an automobile students can look for the in terms of job and opportunity?
Yeah, sure. Right now, we see in the automobile sector is booming day by day. So we can see a vast improvement in all kind of terms like production, manufacturing side. They can go to the service side also. And also apart from this one, right now the EV market is getting boomed. So they can be into that EV one also. And what we are dealing is we are into completely into diagnostics. So many of students might not heard about it because last time we were giving a seminar to the students also. So we had showcase our diagnostics, everything what we do. Not only for the car segment, we basically deal with the commercial and off highway, the marine also everything. So we are dealing with the Spain products, everything, and apart from India also, we are dealing with other countries, everything. So they can go with these kind of things. The emerging one for the students, it's basically like a production side. They can go to the manufacturing, or to the designing side, or to the sales side also and service side also. We have many opportunities in automotive sector for right now for Indian market.
Okay,
Hello.
thank you,
Yeah. Yeah.
Uday
Yeah.
Shekhar
Okay.
Reddy. Thank you for
Yeah.
sharing your experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir,
Good morning, Ms. Srinidhi. I have a question for you. This is Srinivasa, head of the department automobile engineering.
Yes.
So, in this, in your experience, do you see hardship for the female employees? So, how this is more relevant to girl students to opt for automobile engineering? There is a misconception that
So, yes.
okay.
So everybody that I have worked with have always been very supportive, very kind, and they will always they have always tried to make me feel inclusive. Maybe it is initially a little difficult because you feel like, oh my god, I'm the only girl in like so many men. But I feel that at least now companies are evolving. They want more women in their team. They want more diversity. And as long as your team makes your opinions feel heard, makes you feel valued, I don't think it should matter at all. And for me personally, it has never mattered. I have never felt uh, unheard by anyone. I've always felt supported, and people have always been extra nice to me.
Thank you. Thank you.
any other
Srinivas sir,
question?
Srikanth here. Can I also add to what
Yes,
Srinidhi
yes,
mentioned?
yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what Srinidhi mentioned is also very true because we are, as you know, I'm from ZF and we are close to 3,500 employees in Hyderabad Technical Center, and nearly 25% of our employees are female employees. Okay, so you can imagine the role of women in technology. And also there is a misconception both in female or women students or even their parents, that when they go for core fields like mechanical engineering or automobile engineering, you have to do hard work. Yeah, you have to deal with the really heavy parts, or be on the field and so on. That is also a misconception, because if you really look into the latest technologies like autonomous vehicles, most of the women are on par with the software engineers. Yeah, so it is their brain that we really want to tap into. Okay, and so they can actually give very brilliant ideas. For example, if you take autonomous cars, how to program, how to code, and you need this automobile engineering background to really understand how a vehicle moves, how a vehicle should behave, what is expected for a vehicle to transport you from point A to point B safely and comfortably. So it is the mental power that is more important. So it's not the physical power that is needed. So women have also can, or we really need women employees also to bring their mental expertise, this technical expertise into the automotive field. And this is where women will have a lot of opportunities in automobile sector going forward. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you, Hari sir, for moderating this session. Thanks to Srinivas Rao sir, who has made this panel discussion happen with his team of expertise coming from the industries like ZF Technology, and also the alumni students who have joined us from various points. Amjad sir, who has briefed us on the curriculum aspects and all these things. I do think that the parents and students who have logged in or who will be hearing this session later in our YouTube channel. So I would like to mention that right from the beginning, as Srinivasra sir was emphasizing, we do have a curriculum structure which is dynamic. Being an autonomous institute, we leverage our autonomy in making sure that we are on par with the latest technologies that the industry needs. We train our students in such a way, and they do find a place in most of the prestigious companies as part of their placements also. And the curriculum, as we were discussing, we do have minor degrees also. If you are really interested into any other technology other than automobile also, you are free to pursue that right from your third and final years. So that is one thing. And as sir has shown, so Srikant sir has shown some video wherein he is showing very nicely how the all the technologies are getting into the automobile sector. So wherever you see, you can see that there's a combination of some interdisciplinary things which are happening, and automobile students are the ones who are very proactive in VNRVJIET campus also in taking up interdisciplinary projects. So right now, as sir was telling, they are building autonomous vehicles. So it's really interesting for students or aspirants who are really passionate in pursuing an automobile engineering specialization in their BTech course. So I do hope the students will take more feedback if you require personally by visiting the department also. So I'm Dr. Kanti Sudha, coordinator admissions. So any doubts if you have related to admissions and everything, also you can put forth right now if any student or parent has logged in. Or later also we can address your queries. We have dropped our mail IDs also for your reference in the poster itself. So anything required from our end, we'll be able very happy to clear off your doubts and everything. And as the girl students of automobile engineering who are successfully pursuing their careers have emphasized, it is nothing to do with the gender at all. So automobile engineering is one particular branch which anyone can take up. Okay. So thank you on that note. Thank you, sir, for sparing your valuable time, all of you, for making this panel discussion a great success. So I do hope that students will get insights from all of you, whoever have given your inputs in this panel discussion. Thank you, Harish, for joining us remotely also and making
Thank
this
you.
happen. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank-
Kanti ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
So once again, I personally thank Mr. Srikant, Ms. Srinidhi, and our alumni Srija and Uday, and also our colleagues and admission coordinator Kansudha. Once again, I thank you very much. So for sparing your time to happen this webinar. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank
Thank
you,
you all.
sir. Thank you all. Thank you, and all the best to all the automobile engineers.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Srija, Srija.